Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's a pleasure having your company. I'd like to say thank you so much to all my new subscribers, and thank you so much to my returning subscribers. I appreciate you very much. Right, I'm still chasing February with my cash stuffing, so I will get underway with it. This week, the first week I did last week was the 100 envelopes, £150 dice challenge, the roll and strike, 52 weeks, and the mini monthly. I did the mini dice as well, I believe. So this week I'm going to tackle my chick, panda and cow and my save £50. These are just tiny little challenges that I decided to do just to get myself back into the swing of things and to see how far my money can stretch. Now these are the mini monthly ones. I have done the January and February already. Great. And I'm moving on to March now. So we've got March here. I'll just put these at the back here, yeah. Right, let me count this money. £140, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40. So what I'll do is I will do £10. Each line is £5, so I will do £10 today. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. £10 today for my mini monthly challenge. And then I have got these small ones from Cute Budget. Is Cute Budget? Yeah, by Cute Budget. 45, 45 and 45. That's a chick, the panda and the cow. And I will do 15 on each. Shall I do 15? We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Do 15 on each. Yes. So if I do 15 on each, that would be £45. So let's just put that there. £45. And let me do 15. 5, 10, 15. 5, 10, 15. 5, 10, 15. Great. That's only how I'm going to get the February finished. I'm going to do a couple more videos this week just to catch up. Right, so then I have the save the £50. And that is going to get, let me do 10 on each. So hang on a minute, let's do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shall I do 20? Yeah, 10. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, 20 on each. Might as well. So that's 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 5 is 20. Great. That's it. I have got the fall one that I'm not going to do. Hello Fall, and that's by Frugality is Life. I've got that, and then I've got Diamonds Are Forever that I wanted to start, and this one is from Frugality is Life. Save £400 on completion. I will put, let's see what the highest denomination is. The highest denomination is £25. Oh no, sorry, it's £50, the big one here. All right, £50. So let's see, that's 20, 30, 45. I could do a 20 and a 25. Let's do a 20 and a 25. So that's 20, 30, 45. So we do 25 and 20. Great. Perfect. Yeah, and the largest one is £50. Okay. So on alternate weeks, all of them get something. So I will be doing the sinking funds next. I want to really get the sinking funds together because of things that needs saving for with the sinking funds. So I'll get that done. And I will be putting out another video this week. I said that last week, but believe you me, oh, when I tell you that things just get in the way and I just can't find the time to come and sit down and do my budgeting. But hey ho, onwards and upwards, and I'm doing the best I can. So this week I most probably try and beat out 1 or 2 more videos just to catch up for February. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.